Controversial na vlogger at dating Duterte supporter na si Jam Magno, hinuli at naikulong sa CIDG ng Butuan. Ayon sa The Global Filipino Magazine, controversial social media personality Jam Magno has been released from custody after voluntarily turning herself into authorities in Butuan City on Wednesday, May 22, in connection with 3 counts of online libel filed under the Cybercrime Prevention Act. Si Jam Magno ay may warrant of arrest was dated May 21, 2025 and issued by the court with bail set at 24,000 pesos for each count. So 24 times 3 kayo na ang mag-compute. Si Magno she surrendered to the Criminal Investigation and Detention Group in Butuan and later posted bail. Ayun, nag-bail siya kaagad. At ngayon, nakalabas si Guapa, si Merice. Sabi pa dito, shortly after her release, Magno took to social media with her signature confidence in a Facebook reel. She appeared unfazed by the situation, even joking that she's ready to go viral again. Etong si Jam, dati na pala itong nakulong sa Butuan ulit noong December 13, 2023. At ngayon, naaresto na naman siya. Tapos yun, nakulong, nakapag-bail siya at nakalabas siya ulit. So yan lamang po ang balita na galing sa Pilipinas.